So hello guys, welcome back to this video. So today in this video I'm going to say you and I'm going to teach you how to solve your camera problem in Oppo camera phones. So guys, here we go. At first you have to go in the settings, and after going in settings we have to go for charge. We have to charge for app management. Here we go, and we have to go in the app list, and after going in app list we have to search for the app camera. So here we go. After searching this, so guys, I hope that you can see this force stop. So you have to click here, and after clicking here you have to go for storage, and after going in storage make sure that you have to clear check and clear data. After this too, you have to come to the permission ones, and you have to go in the storage, and you have to allow your camera not delete. So if you Danny, it means it will have some problems in your camera. So if you allow, it means 100% that it will not give you any problems in your camera. So here we go. So after that, come to the phone. You have to allow this. For this is for permissions, phone permissions. So after doing this, this how you have to do. So after doing this, make sure that you have to switch off your mobiles, and you have to turn it on. So after turning on, make sure that your camera will be totally solve in your camera problem. So this how you have to do, and thanks for watching this video.